Remake up the Khamdaya Paubing. Ayak Gusom Kulen Block Headquarters Li, PJB with joint organizational meeting come food level workers in direction meet Kwigakajili, State PJB President A. Sharda Devi Vazanga. Rakhara State Assembly Election Li, Nganingai the PJB ticket Ningajangbing Saigorana, Yarili or Drum Kangtu, Hapok Haulu the CMP Nakasathaira. I-League outfit draw FC with team manager Sakavai Gri Hang now, Kongre Kam Duitang Li Kapang Sanghaira. Lake Hyang Thor, Ajir the Tangkhul Express News, Okcharphi A Chahong na Bamidale, Pao being Maysai na Nangrumsa. Ayak Gusom Block Headquarters Li, PJB with joint organizational meeting come booth level workers in direction meet Kwika Haida. Kazibji 43 Pungier ST ACW intending PJB candidate, Ngajon Mi Ramshang na Makokmida, 43 Pungier Mandal na Ngaran Ye Samia. Kazibjili State PJB President A. Sharda Devi la Vazanga. Kazibjili Ngajon Mi na Maduida, Gusom na Kadom Kamu Wang Ningashi Pongshoka. Kala BJP Party Hiva Yaru Wang na da Ngajon Mi Ramshang na Hangsanga. Kazib Witili Ngajon Mi Ramshang na sponsor Samida Kasom Kulenli mass COVID vaccination na health camp la Rungmia. Chile Weaver's ID card na yarn passbook la Yaumi Hairajia. PJB Vice President, PJB Ukhrul District in charge, Chidananda Singh, PJB General Secretary, Premananda Midei, 43 Pungier constituency with PJB intending candidate Hopingson A. Shimray, Ningengam Kashung, PJB Karyagarda Bing, Kala Apam Jui Hetman, Chairman Bing la Kazib Chili Vazanga. 43 Pungier constituency with PJB intending candidate Hopingson A. Shimrayena, Ningengam Kashungna, Ranye Jilik, Razan Kamiwivang, A. Sharda Devina, Ringapa Gajunga, Pongshoga Nang Soda, Kibali ticket, Misanikala, Mataimana, Kiba Kibali, Miruno, candidate Katum Hina, Koka Sada Ot Sangrumaka, constituency Hili, PJB na, Kahaurada Manipur, PJB President Jina Hangsanga. Rakhara State Assembly Election Ling Ningai the PJB ticket Ningjang Saigorana Yarili or Drum Kangatu Hapok Haulu the CMP na Kasathaira. Aja Hontang, but Soy Assembly constituency we Tera Sabam Lairakli, PJB with one-day political conference Kasali CM Namaduida, PJB intending candidate Saigorana Yarui Chungmai Dali Vashung Kawai Ngahan Ngrokta Shorkarna Midak lay schemes being la Yarina Sampang Quising Sagluda and Piran na Hangsanga. I-League outfit Tro FC with team manager Sakavai, Krihang now Kongre Kam Duidang Li Kapang Sanghaira. Tangkhul Naga now na I-League team manage Kasahi, Kongre Kam Duidang na Kare Ngasaya. Ali team manager Kapang Sangi 2021-22 season Wivangna. Ukhrul Times na Kongre Kam Duidang Le Kharjan Gasa Samhangda I-League team manage Sakare Tangkhul Naung Sada Maya Laga Gajihi Ana Pongshoka. Kala Rakhara Damli Tangkhul Nau Jungmaidana I-League teams manage Gasa Thengaya da Duidang na Hanga. Kongre Kam Duidang hi Kanjuthe Mathalagay na Ngreora Kahai Miyahana. Ana Ngreora Kahaili State represent Sada national level tournament Taraka Kayui Samanghaira. Tuidang na Tro FC with captain la Sasada Awi Atamli Tro FC na Manipur State League Kare Sala Kayui la Samanga Chia. Singum Kasanga Ngreola ka Ahi coach Kasavak Mai Ngreda Paichum Putia Football School Lila coach Sasa Kala National United Sporting Club with assistant coach La Vasaya. Kongre Kam na Shimwak Ungda Kamchong District with District Football Association Kasem Lila Kamadaya Shuruk Kwimia. Kala Association Chiwi Technical Advisor La Sadale. Ana Tangkhul Football Players Association Lila Advisor Sadale. Itumuya pamli lyric tamkhui hailala ot masam kapang wardam mathada tamkhui madam khuila pamghai kakhi ariarai shijin khangui otsak shurthui kapai gala mirinli agajang masa khuila khalai hikatha hiwiwang football hina career ngasaphui khawai apong mathada khuiramya kha khunui totally positive impact kahaga khuirara gaji shitsanga da tuidang na phongshoka Kathem them khanui thot pingli sem khui ngaya kala kapha khanghai khui khrali country the hina apong akha ngasalakra da shitsanga gaji hi kongrei kham tuitang na ukrul times li kharjan ksali hanga taxi pharamaram wiwangai na ukrul town li taxi mazatla leidale Aja gajang Tangkhul Nagalong na ukrul town wi taxi pharazat khana aman redmi ghaiji Mazat Namara the Ukrul District Passenger Service Association, UDBSA Hawana Pongshok Haira. Ukrul District Passenger Service Association na Pongshok Atishurda, Taxi Manui Maramli, Ukrul District Passenger Service Association we Executive na Pam Room Laga, Mayakang Rock Kikam Laylak Mana the Hanga. Aja Gajang, Tarik Magada Kanitang. TNL na chizu kami migashokli TNL na UDBSA Hawa Committee meeting bomroom laga taxi man maramli Twitter kadana da mishoka ka ara UDBSA Hawa na kahang tha aman red mikhaiji ashina mamiyamana chirada sada TNL wi chizu committee withdraw masarang lakha ina tangda taxi service ngasam sara jihaira Churachandpur militants na ambush kasali mirin shiman khai Assam Rifles we Colonel Viblab Tripathi awi parevu kala naumira we kathingun awi prasang khaipam Raigad Chadishkar li khuyung haira mi thing na mawon sakhaya kala awi shimkhuli khaya kashi phongshokta athumui funeral service li wangaruma Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel nala Colonel Tripathi na awishim khurli tribute kami phongshoka athumui final rights ayang zin sahaira ambush kasajari Assam Rifles personnel Assam Riflemen Mati West Bengal now Shyamal Das Assam mi Suman Swagyari Rajasthan we RB Meena Nagaland Mon District we Khadnei Konyak athumna ochot jili thi sangkhaina 46 Assam Rifles convoy Churachandpur we Singkhat subdivision li Zang Satkasali militant group na attacked Ragasana jiya Pauna kahang tha ka ambush kasaji People's Liberation Army in Manipur Naga People's Front Nagasana da claim sahaira Ochojili CM Piren Zangda BM Modi Defense Minister Rajnath Singh Zangda Shorkar Gathana Kajungana Makamia Pongshok Ngarok haira Sunday Mathang Manipur lila CM Piren Nathanda Police na military akhavabing na Mawon Sakahai 46 Assam Rifles we Shipai kala Shimkurchili Bir Digendrajit International Airport li floral tribute vamiya Attacked Kasajili Kayona Bingli Maji Homara Jihangda Home Department na paramilitary forces na Operation Hapok Haira Jia Kala State reporter Bamlila Security Forces Bangmai Ngsa Khawra da CM na hanga Manipurli militant group na ambush attacked Kasa Ajahon Hangjam Shoka Haitili South Arunachal Pradesh Vag Assam Rifles Unit Ahana Saklak Kahai Operation Ayangator Hapokhaira Chili NSCN KYA we mi gatum kaptat haira chia Indian Army na Northeastly counter-insurgency operation Sada Kleina da hanga. State Transport Department na Shokmi Haigasa Enforcement we SI, ASI, checker kala drivers otpam wivang, physical kala driving test career facely, matha curbing wivang adam milushitale. Physical kala driving test tri akama MSC Complex Morangkom Imphal West li Sara. Kala driving test na ISPD Tiolalen Imphal East li Sara dalaya. Hangda klehi face kreli matharer thu gajiping wivang mana.
Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa opposite Unique Kids Preschool, Hamlekong, Ukhrul. Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa, Bangalore branch. Salon Hili, hair coloring, facial, hair spa, hair dressing, manicure, pedicure, bridal makeup, hair straightening, wax epilation, head massage, foot massage, full body massage, male and female separate samia. Ukruli, professional salak kahai, well-trained staff recruit salaga, run sadakle, unisex beauty salon and spa na. Arihon, Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li heavy Christmas offer late. Ralu, Ramiserlu, Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li. For booking information, please call 9383-274-303 or visit us.
Ningrin Society with Silver Jubilee Ungshung with Nitre Mayon Kawai fundraise Sada Akama Lenganong Rungida Ladale. Ningrin Lenganong Ji Humpung Bakshi Crownly Sara Kalajili Itumuing Lely Samang Dakle Hunting Hanra Shumshrin Samang Rajia. Society Li Kakadom Sada Yarina Lenganong Jili Krazang Miserluda Ningrin Society Nang Hot Dale. Akama Mang Shogi Ji Ningrin Society we Lenganong Ji Mator Bung Trali Hapogra Dalea. Ayang Zinwi report at Hishurda Ukrul District Li COVID positive mi Panga Samang Haira. COVID second wave Karahili Ukrul District Li Arui Rashungda COVID positive Samang Kaihi Ayawi Panga Jizangda Thinka Shajishat Hangshinida Panga Kashung Haira Jia. Arishangaina COVID Care Center Li Ngahagsa Mi Gatumli Ayat Discharge Sada Aruri Ukrul District Li COVID Kagaza Mi Machine Trada Madi Leda DSO report na Jithemia Ladluida Ajui Kamdaya Baubing Aya Gusom Kulen Block Headquarters Li PJB with Joint Organizational Meeting Come Food Level Workers in Direction Meet Kwigagajili State BJP President A. Sharda Devi Vazanga. Rakhara State Assembly Election Li Ningay da BJP ticket Ningajang being Saigorana Yarili or Drum Kangtu Hapok Haulu da CMP na Kasathaira. I-League outfit draw FC with team manager Sakawai Grihang now Kongre Kam Duitang Li Kapang Sanghaira. Shirat Kami Janbao Samang Room the Clay hopefully Sai Kanyaya Zimik Shong Saserano.